This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're going to talk about how to test a safety valve for your oven. So you've already exchanged a new igniter and you still are not getting the igniter to glow. So make sure you unplug it or you turn off the breaker before beginning. Oh, it could be your safety valve. Here's one way to check. So you set your continuity tester for auditory signal so you can hear when you have a complete circuit. You're going to remove your broiler pan from the bottom, and then you should have access to your gas safety valve. You're going to take one of the wires, there's two terminals, you're going to take one of the wires off, and then you're going to take your continuity tester and put it on each terminal, and you should hear the beep indicating that it's a complete circuit. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.